What is up, you guys? So we're gonna work this problem, see how we're gonna build this directory structure, and we're gonna use Visual Studio Code for this instead of the terminal. Um, just the game time decision I made. So let's get going. So navigate into your folder where you want to store your course homework so that you know how to keep track of everything, and go ahead and run VS Code. That will be another video for how to install that. Right. Alright, so let's increase the size of that a little bit. Bring my head down here. Okay, so put my head right there. My head's getting in the way. Okay, so we're gonna make a folder. We're gonna call it directories. Let's make it a little bigger. Okay, and the way I'm gonna approach this, I'm gonna do one level at a time. So I'm gonna do all these files and folders, then this one, and so on, rather than going all the way down each leaf of the tree. Okay, so make sure you click directories, you have it highlighted, and you click new folder, call it dogs. Then we're going to click directories again, make new folder, we're going to call it eText. Now we're going to make a file. Make sure you click directories, click new file, call it forbidden.txt. Then we're going to make the images folder. Make sure you click directories first, and we will call it images. Okay, click directories, new folder, index.html. Okay, click directories, new folder, monkeys. And then click directories, new file, structure.txt. Okay, we're done with this level. Now I'm going to go down the next level. Okay, click directories, new folder, hate. Click directories, new folder, like. Okay, next set. So within the eText folder, we're going to make some files and folders. We know this is a file because it has a period with the ending after it, .all. Okay. eText. So make sure you click eText, new file, gutindex.all, and then a folder. So make sure you click eText, new folder. We're going to call it Mogum, W period Somerset. Okay. Now we're going to click eText, new folder, O'Reilly Augustine. And the point of this exercise is to understand the structure between and the relations between files and folders. The spelling isn't super important. Just knowing how they're related. So don't worry if you don't spell everything correctly. Okay. One more eText folder. It's called Poe, Edgar Allan. Okay. Moving on to the images folder. We're going to make two folders, cartoons and clip art. Cartoons. Make sure you click images again. Click new folder, clip art. And let's just see what happens when you, maybe you make it in the wrong folder. Let me show you how you can back out of there. So say you click cartoons, and you make clip art in there instead. What you can do, let me show you how to, let me just delete this. Yes. Okay. I believe you can just drag and drop. And then, yes, move. And, let's see. Did that work? Hate clip art. Nope, that's the wrong folder. We want to move that into images. Images. Move. Okay. That is correct. Okay. Cool. Moving on. So moving down to monkeys. So make sure you click monkeys. Click new folder. Yep, two new folders. Hate. Click monkeys again. like. Okay, so we finished the second level. We're going to move on to the third level. Starting up at the top, we're going to look at dogs hate. Okay, dogs. Okay, looks like we missed two. Okay, so we'll make two folders here. Hate. Click dogs. New folder. Like. Okay, within dogs hate, we're going to make two files. We know that because of the file extension endings, .html, bananas.html. Then within hate, click hate again, new file, bones.html. Okay, click like, new file, bananas.html. Click like, new file, bones.html. Okay. Mogum. Okay. Moving on down. Next folder, Mogum W Somerset. We're going to make two files, which a text and .zip file. Okay. So Muna10.txt. Click Mogum Muna10.zip. Okay. We're going to get rid of these for now. And moving down to O'Reilly, click O'Reilly, new file, because of the .txt ending, Elvira the heroine of Vesuvius. Spelling doesn't really matter here. Okay. Poe Edgar Allan, click that. We're going to make three files. Poe1v10.txt. Click Poe again. Poe1v10.zip. Okay. Click Poe story2.txt. Okay. Moving on to cartoons. We're going to make two .jpeg files. Alright. Click cartoons. Click file. df950523.jpg. Okay. Click clip art again. Is that right? Looks like it went into the wrong folder. Alright, so how are we going to move this? Click it. Move it into cartoons. Hopefully that works. Did not work. Okay. How do we get it into cartoons is the question. Alright, we're going to delete it and start over. That's okay. No big deal. Alright, click cartoons. Click new file. And df950523.jpg. Did that work is the question. Okay. Where is that? Not sure if it worked. Let's see what happens when we move on to clip art and see if we can fix this. Okay, animals. Okay, click clip art again. New folder. Food. Okay. Cool. Images. Okay. I think I saw the problem. So clip art was inside the cartoons folder. We didn't want that. And so we got out of that. We moved one level up by dragging and dropping onto images. Got to show you guys the errors too. Okay. Let's take a look, see where we're at. So within images, cartoons, we need to make two files. We've made one. Let's make the second one. Make sure you click cartoons. df971202.jpg. Okay. Clip art, made animals and food. Alright, moving on. Within monkeys hate, we're going to make bananas.html and bones.html. Okay. Click like. Oops. That's not what we want. Okay, so click like, new file, bananas, HTML. Whoops. Alright, we will get this done. Alright, bone.html. Bones, but it's okay. You know, I mean, if you want to rename it, right click, click rename. But again, the real important part here is the relationship between files and folders, not really the spellings of everything. Okay, we finished level 3, last level. We're looking at images, clip art, animals, and then food. Okay, let's look for images. Here's images, here's clip art, here's animals. Let's start there. New files, because it has the .gif ending. Dog.gif. One more, monkey.gif. Okay. Bananas.gif. And bone.gif. Alright, you guys, that's it. That's how we make this directory structure in VS Code. It's going to be a little bit easier than using the terminal. There's different commands whether you're on Windows versus Mac. And so this way we can all work together in VS Code. This should be the same whether you're on Windows or Mac. And look out for other instructions on how to install VS Code. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching.